I'm Dan Mendelsohn and I live in Porter Ranch, California. We wanted to upgrade the house because our electric bills had been really high and we'd always wanted to get solar power anyway. So it seemed like a really good time to not only get solar but also to get a new AC system so that we would be using less power as well. We paid about $650 a month for electricity. It was really out of hand. We found Trium Energy online. They looked at the whole system, not just how much power we were using, but how we could reduce that and how we could get enough solar to supply what we needed for the house. Well, we were really impressed the first time we met with Nir, and he talked us through the whole project and gave us the specifics of what he had in mind, so it was really made it an easy decision about which company to go with. Trium Energy did the job surprisingly quickly. They got everything installed in a really short amount of time. Not saying it was rushed, it was just that they had the crew they needed to get everything done in order, and they got all the permits taken care of and everything, so it was really impressive. We're glad that we got Trium Energy to do everything before the summer rolled around so that we will have solar in place and the new AC in place and the new pool pump and all those things ready to go once the heat of the summer really kicks in. So we're glad that we timed it right. It's just a lot more pleasant to be in the house now that it's cooler and that we're not, the air conditioners are a lot more efficient than the old ones we had. We got new insulation and sealed up a lot of leaks in terms of where we were losing, heat was getting in and cool air was going out. So it's a lot nicer to be in the house now. We've had a great experience with Trium Energy and I would definitely recommend them.